Do you want to build your own furniture? With DJ, the Doweling Jig, you can drill precise joints quick and easy. You only need your cordless screwdriver and a drill. Lay the components together, adjust the included depth stop, insert the included key, slide the DJ onto the workpiece, secure it with clamps, and off you go. For centered drilling, use the marking on the acrylic tab in the wooden dowels. Apply glue, push the pieces together, clamp them, and you're done. Thanks to the positioning stop, you get precious drill holes from the first to the last board. A special design also allows precise drilling for closet shelves without any measuring. Perfect fit every time. Angles from 0 to 45 degrees can also be drilled. As well as squares with a minimum width of 30 millimeters. Developed and produced in Germany with the goal to make your ideas come true.